I'm Ana Laura Namurantolin, and I will talk about comparatives and superlatives. First, comparatives. Comparative adjectives are used to compare difference between the two objects they modify. They are used in sentences where two nouns are compared in this pattern: noun, subject, plus verb, plus comparative adjective, plus than, plus noun. For example, my house is larger than hers. This box is smaller than the one I lost. Your dog runs faster than Jim's dog. Now, superlative adjectives. Superlative adjectives are used to describe an object which is an upper or low limit of a quality. They are used in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects. Noun plus verb plus the plus superlative adjective plus noun. For example, my house is the largest one in our neighborhood. This is the smallest box I ever seen. Your dog ran the fastest of any dog in the race. One-syllable adjectives. Add er for the comparative and est for the superlative. If the adjective has a consonant plus single vowel plus consonant spelling, the final consonant must be doubled before adding the end. For example, adjective tall, comparative taller, superlative tallest. Adjective fat, comparative fatter, superlative fattest. Adjective big, comparative bigger, superlative biggest. Two syllables. Adjective with two syllables can form the comparative either by adding er or by preceding the adjective with more. This adjective forms the superlative either by adding est or by preceding the adjective with most. In many cases, both forms are used, although one usage will be more common than the other. Adjective ending in y, change the y to an I before adding the end. Example: adjective happy, comparative happier, superlative happiest. Adjective simple, comparative simple, superlative simplest. Three or more syllables. Adjective with three or more syllables form the comparative by putting more in front of the adjective, and the superlative by putting most in. Example: adjective important, comparative more important, superlative most important. Adjective expensive, comparative more expensive, and the final irregular comparative and superlatives. These very common adjectives have completely irregular comparative and superlative forms. For example, adjective good, comparative better, superlative best. Adjective bad, comparative worse, superlative worst. Adjective far, comparative further or farther, superlative furthest or farthest.